Okay guys, let's add CKEditor, and here, right here, we're gonna have a lot of options to style our text, our post, and of course we're gonna target photo body. Okay, so everything is fine with our CMS up till now. We need to go and cancel our server. 2 times you need to press Ctrl+C, well, at least on my system. I'm gonna also TLS, clear screen, and what we need to do is pip install Django CKEditor, and this will be done in like 10 or 15 seconds, I think. Okay, we need to wait for a bit. Okay, successfully installed Django CKEditor. Right. So now we need to go to settings.py, because every time when you install either your own application, when you create it like image upload, or when you grab it from other people, you need to tell that to Django in settings.py. So right here, after image upload, we are going to add CKEditor. Okay, so you don't need to say Django CKEditor, CKEditor is enough. Right, now when we are happy with that, let's navigate to models.py, because we will change structure of our tables here. So what are we targeting? We are targeting photo body. So this is a place where we need those options to style our posts, our images. So here you will not say text field, you will have a rich text field. I'm not inventing this, it is in documentation. Rich text field. Okay? But the question is, from where we are grabbing this? We are grabbing that from CKEditor, and that means we need to include it right here. And this is common error for a lot of beginners. They just use something and they forget to import it. I mean, you're gonna get there over time anywhere after you spend some nerves on it. So from CKEditor.fields, fields import rich text field, rich text field, but this is a custom stuff from CKEditor, so we will not use generic models option from Django. Okay, so we don't need this models dot right here. Okay, now when we are changing this structure of table, we need to apply those migrations. So TLS, and we're gonna say Python manage.py migrate, and I think make migrations, sorry, make migrations, and here in the migrations we're gonna hopefully see that change. Alter field photo body on photo. Okay, that's what we need. So let me see, do we have that changes in migrations? I think this is the last one. And model name photo. Okay, there you go guys. See, new field, rich text field with a maximum length of 4000 characters. So yeah, let's finally apply that with pure migration, with the real stuff. Migrate, and hopefully everything will be fine. Hopefully. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Now we need to check what's happening. Well, we are going to run our server. Run server. And hopefully. Okay, that's cool, no errors. So refresh, that works, and we do care about Django options here in admin. So we are targeting photos, and when we go to add photo, there you go guys, you see you have these new options here. So let's style something like a post, test post. As I said, I'm not creative with names, so test post, what is happening? Test post blog, and here we're gonna have like a link to Google, and let's grab it, and where is the link? Right here. So you can choose your protocols here. You even have FTP, like file transfer protocol, and you can choose secure connection. But, you know, let's just, well, yeah, let's have it as secure. Google. And also you have other options, like you can open new window in browser, new tab, and you can also other customization. Well, there is a lot of stuff here, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it simple and short. Okay, there you go. And a little bit of text right here. Little bit of text. A little bit of dot. Let's, for example, where are colors? Colors. For background, I think, let's choose something else. That one. Ooh, that's kind of ugly. I don't know. Little bit of text. I think that will work. Okay, right. So that's cool. And also you can boost it to, I don't know, headings H2. Okay. And down there we're gonna insert table. So tables, for example, 2 rows and 2 columns. You can set width of the table, height, cell spacing, if you like. You know, classical HTML stuff that you can do manually. Headers, well, border size, something big, well, 2, alignment, and other things. So, okay, and let's fulfill it with something like test and blah, blah, blah. And what else we can have here? Well, that's pretty much it for now. And you can put it in some category and save. And let's see what's happening. Photos, right. So guys, this is not a problem here. You see raw HTML. That's cool. Don't worry about that. We're gonna fix it. How we are going to fix it? Well, let me see. In our report, which is for photo list, and because we are targeting photo body, we're gonna use filter. And filters means basically beautification in some way. So we're gonna use this, what is the name of this in English? Like upper line, vertical one? I don't know. Correct me on that one. So here on the right side, after a little bit of space, you need to say save. So basically you are like checking, you're turning that raw HTML into something usable on your page. And also you can do that on many other columns, not just on photo list, on category list, in any Django template. With the save, you will do a great job. Okay, there you go, guys. I mean, sure, you can beautify this with some booster for cards and stuff like that, but we are just focused here on basic options. And see, it's kind of easy. Google, there you go, that works. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. In the next tutorial, we are going to work with images, like really with images, because here, if you click on image, yes, you do have like some options, but you don't have option to actually upload it. Okay, so we need to have that possibility to upload and mess around with our own images. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching as always, and yeah, see you next tutorial. Okay, see you there.